How to use Grok AI image generator. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use Grok AI image generator. So let's dive in. So first you have to come to your browser and open your browser on your PC, and then you have to search for Grok on your PC and open this first official website by Grok. Once you do so, it's going to bring up this interface for you. Now you do not need to sign in, because if you sign in, these options will not be visible. So first you'll see this create images option. Simply click this option over here, and then you can choose over here fast, auto, expert, heavy. And to unlock all capabilities you have to sign in, but then you would have to upgrade your plan to create images. Now you have these options over here that you can choose from, and if you want to draw a specific object, just type in draw a, like I want to type Labubu, and then press enter. Now Grok is going to do it, and now I'm going to just choose this option over here, and then you can see it has created images. And that's how you use Grok AI image generator, and you can create and generate more images just by typing over here. Now you can also choose giggling Labubu, or you can choose any option that you would like, and then you can just create images as so. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.